Stability in a business that is ever-changing is just one way to describe the Rogers Company, a Mentor-based company that's celebrating 65 years in business.
The Rogers Company this year is 65 years old, founded by Van Rogers back in 1945. He and a couple of friends of his started the company as Rogers Display Studio.
Rogers Display Studio grew into one of the most well-respected companies in the trade show industry. Van Rogers sold the business in 1972, and the company continued as the Rogers Company, designing and building trade show exhibits for clients around the world.
Rogers is basically a 3D marketing company. We design and build exhibits for all different types of customers, from obviously B2B type customers like Smuckers and Rubbermaid and people like that, but we also work with Lake Metro parks, different museums, we do lobbies, and basically we're environmental branding. We look for ways to help our clients brand themselves in all types of face-to-face marketing environments.
Everyone wants to make a good first impression, and at a trade show, what a company's booth conveys about their brand can also affect future business. The Rogers Company is an expert at creating and executing exhibits.
There are certain practical needs that you're going to have for the booth. You're going to need a reception counter. You're going to perhaps need a closet to store briefcases and things like that, or samples or collateral that you bring. But over and above that, we're going to want to know about your messages, and we want to know what you're really trying to get across to your customers at the end of the day. Because that's what your show is supposed to do, is appeal to prospective customers.
Advancements in technology have affected all aspects of the trade show business, from the use of computers and software in the design process to the materials used to create the displays. Expanding services, a commitment to helping customers maximize their investment, and talented and dedicated employees are just a few of the reasons the company is still going strong after 65 years.
It's such a unique industry, and it's such a unique group of people here at Rogers that I'm very honored, to be a part of this team. If you're bored in our company, you got a problem, because every day is different, every job is different, every client is different, and that always makes for a fascinating day.
I'm Liz Weingarten with ABB. My role is marketing communications for the business unit Transformers. We're here wrapping up Automation and Power World. It's been a really good show for us. Not only have we had an opportunity to network and talk with our sales force, then our customers came in where we got to meet, network, showcase our technology, and talk about everything that's changed for us since the last time we got to see. Rogers has been really helpful for us. Working with this show. This is just one of probably a half a dozen shows I get to work with Rogers on during the year. They've always just been really great. Sometimes I forget to call them, the deadlines are closed, but I just pick up the phone and they work their magic, they spread their pixie dust, and it all comes together. Great experience.
We couldn't do a thing without the Rogers Company. From the way our booth looks, to the graphics that we have, to the support on site. They're a fantastic help, and Gina and her project management team give us every person we need to do our job. We have nothing but the best support in our booth. Having a dedicated person to do the physical labor and setup really helps us be efficient in the way we get things done. It really helps us have a very professional and very well organized booth.
If it weren't for Rogers, this show wouldn't have been successful at all. I mean, the attention to detail for such a huge show blows my mind away. I mean, there are so many different things that have to be taken care of. I mean, a simple example is we had a light put in here. The bulb was shining out into the customer's eyes. One of the trades guys working around doing the carpet looked up and says, you know, we can fix that for you so it's not shining in the customer's eyes. I mean, that kind of little detail that makes everything looks better is why we keep bringing Rogers back. I mean, they're just unbelievable. The attention to detail, everything gets taken care of, nothing goes unnoticed. It's phenomenal.